I'm making more than just podcasts because of the English. Surprise! I'm making more than just podcasts. Because of the pandemic, it's kind of boring to do Zoom podcasts and I can't meet too many people, so we're going to be doing a bunch of other new fun content. Other than podcasts, I will be doing podcasts, but less focus on that right now and more of other fun stuff. So I hope you guys like today's video. Hi guys! I have to introduce you to somebody very special.
Hi guys!
You guys have seen all of my...
Why are you patting my head?
You guys
I'm a little nervous, so...
Can I talk?
Okay, please go ahead.
You guys have seen all of my Saket Neil gang, but she's my one and only girlfriend.
Best friend.
So we're gonna be doing the best friend tag, whatever that is.
Yeah,
Like,
we've seen the trend go down for years,
Some
but
trend.
we're gonna try our own version of it.
Yes.
So let's see how it goes.
Own version of it.
Own version
and we
of
Googled
it.
questions online. But okay.
So we have a bunch of questions in front of us.
Tu hi ban ja YouTuber.
I'm just trying not to be like quiet the whole time. Like mute.
So I have my laptop here, which is breaking, and it has all of the questions. So let's start with the first question.
Okay, let's go.
How and when did you and your best friend meet?
Okay, so it was 8th grade. We met in school in like the reception area, I remember.
This is when I joined, like it was my admission, I came for the test
Yeah.
and we met there. And it was really funny because she had like this mustache and unibrow.
Yeah, it was like
it's the first thing I remember.
it was like peak
and
before puberty. It was really cute.
and she was sitting there in her sports uniform or something.
And I don't know why, but for the first time I thought maybe I should say hi. And
I said hi.
No,
I
I
said
okay,
hi.
we always have this argument, but I think I said hi because I kept looking at her and I kept smiling because I don't know why I thought
I was
maybe I
smiling.
know her or something. And normally I never, I'm very shy, so I don't say hi first. But I kept smiling at you.
But you know what's actually really crazy, because like our school we had a ICSE section and we had a Cambridge section. And we happened to be like of the same age, same like
it was pretty crazy,
whatever.
I think,
It was pretty crazy. So that's how we met in school.
Yeah.
Before I joined, it was the day I came for my admission.
Yeah.
And I was like, hey, and she was like, hey, and then she went and told the whole class that
Yeah,
you're a
I
very cool girl
I got
joining.
so excited. I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna have a new best friend and she's such a cool girl. And then she ended up being like one of the most popular girls in school.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's not true. That lasted like for a year.
For a year, yeah.
Second question is, what is first impression? First impression was, she's kind of nerdy, but she seems nice.
That was basically me though, like let's be honest. I just thought she was really cool. Like she looked like, oh, she was all laid back and the kind of girl you want to be friends with in school, basically.
Stop it. Get some help.
Basically.
So cringe, I can't believe it. What is your favorite memory together?
Okay.
So I think like one really like fun time was when we used to go for this like martial art class together.
Yeah.
We used to go for classes there, I think twice a week.
Yeah.
Then we used to come down and eat some nice momos.
Oh my god.
So we used to like work our ass off, run and just get exhausted, and then we used to come and eat momos. So it was really fun time.
remove all the hard work we put and then just
And
eat
that, I think
momos.
we did that for like a year or something, right?
I did it for longer, I think.
Yeah.
I joined first and then I convinced you to do it with me.
Yeah.
And then we did it for a year. Yeah.
So that was a really fun time. Like we used to have a lot of fun classes. We used to like fight. She used to beat me
we
up.
would like beat each other up and
She used to beat me
Yeah.
up. What is your best friend's dream job?
Okay, so a lot of people may not know this, but Meher's actually wanted to do YouTube for a long time. She was always like passionate about it, and she was like, I feel like I could be really great at it. And I'm so glad she's finally doing it.
I think for you it would be like some pasta taster human. Like I don't know what you call them.
Like a
Pasta
a
critic.
food critique or something.
Yeah.
Who knows? I don't know.
Yeah.
I never
You
had
should
like.
Go like actually somebody who just like travels a lot or something.
I could do that. I would
Yeah.
love to travel.
Yeah.
That's my favorite thing.
Travel journalist. No, I
Mm,
don't know.
no, that's too much. That's too different. You started with pasta and you went to travel.
Food travel journalist.
Okay.
If you and your best friend could live anywhere in the world, where would it be and why? Okay, so I don't know if obviously none of you know this,
Yeah.
but she was born in Paris, and we have.
I was
this
born in
like-
France.
Oh, you were not born.
I was not born in Paris. I was born.
Yeah, it's fine. France, Paris, same
I was
thing.
born in France. I was born and brought up in France for like 9 to 10 years, and then I came back. And we've always talked about going there as
And
friends
like living together.
living together, and
like it just seems really
doing
fun.
the whole, and then doing a whole like backpacking trip across Europe.
Yeah,
thing. That would be
awesome.
Yeah.
Maybe one day actually, you never know.
Hopefully.
I think
Let's
in
see.
the
Near future, maybe.
What does your best friend carry around everywhere they go?
Oh, this is easy. I feel like you always carry tissue paper with you wherever you
Yeah,
go.
you guys
Like-
should know this about me. I have like major dust allergies.
Yeah.
So I'm that person who will always have like either a tissue box or those
Or
like
those-
small
yeah.
packets of tissues. I'll have like 3-4 in my bag.
And people always make fun of you in school or wherever you
Oh
went.
my god, throughout school. So there's this like one time in Abu Dhabi. So we had this thing where we would like have like a common exam hall,
Yeah.
and there was this kid next to me. Like I think she was 2 years older or something. They did that.
Hmm.
It was really funny because I blew my nose, and this is when I was a kid. I didn't know that
Is
you
it
were
during
not.
an exam?
Yeah, and
Oh my
I
God.
didn't know that you're not supposed to like blow your nose loudly
How
in
many-
public.
I can imagine baby.
And
Meher.
I went like all out, and I blew my nose.
so cute.
And I got so bullied, and she called me an elephant.
Oh wait, I remember you told me this story. Oh man.
She called me an
that's so
elephant.
cute.
So yeah, I have major allergies, and I always have tissue.
You poor kid. I feel you though. I also have dust allergies, but it's never been this bad. Like, no one's ever called me an elephant. Just keep it at that.
She always has Vaseline with her.
Yeah, I always have chapped lips. It's just a thing. Like since I was a kid, always had dry skin. So, and like even like teachers, it would be such a bad thing in school. You remember?
I don't know why. I don't know. Did that happen with you guys
With
as well?
yeah, like, I mean, in school, like if anyone would see me putting like lip balm or like, it would be like such a bad thing.
Teachers
like,
would
I'd
be, you've not come here for fashion show.
yeah, to be like, I was like, I was not doing like secretly hiding in my bag as it was such a bad thing. I'm like, I'm sorry, I just have dry skin. Like, give me a break.
You've come here to study.
Yeah.
Who would play your friend in a movie?
Oh God.
Okay, so we have a really funny answer for this.
Yeah.
Before anybody attacks us, there's this other friend in our group, in our school group, who for some reason thinks that I remind him of Alia Bhatt,
Yeah.
and she reminds him of
Of Deepika
Deepika
Padukone.
Padukone.
I feel like that's like
And-
such a huge compliment. But I mean, I wish I could pull off Deepika Padukone. Let's be honest.
And I think we all know that that's complete bullshit.
Yeah.
But
I feel like maybe Alia Bhatt, because of her round face, she has like a more like fair complexion, the brownish hair.
हाँ, ठीक है,
So I
ठीक
feel like she could pull it off, but I don't think I could be
I couldn't be Alia
Deepika
Bhatt,
Padukone in
please.
any way possible. But I appreciate the compliment.
But it's really funny because we always laugh about it because
Yeah.
like he's so always like no you guys 100%
Like we're like exact, like identical.
and we're like what, like there was this episode of Coffee with Karan,
Yeah,
when
that's
they
how
were
he
both
got it
together
from, basically.
when they were both together, and like he called us and he's like you guys look just like
Yeah,
them.
like-
And we were like ठीक है,
Wow.
ठीक है. Thanks. So yeah, like as a joke that would be the answer. Okay, what phobias does your best friend have?
Oh God.
She's super scared of snakes.
Yeah.
This is all I know.
I don't think she's scared of much really. Like she's like a strong, badass girl. I don't know.
What is something weird that your best friend likes? Me.
Definitely her.
What is your favorite thing to do together? I think.
This goes back to like an earlier question, like eating momos. Like
Did we mention?
Yeah, like
Yeah.
when we do like
Eating
martial arts,
momos.
Yeah. That's like a one of my
I
favorite
like
pastimes.
I like to drive her around.
because I can't drive yet. So because of COVID.
I'll teach her how to drive maybe.
Yeah. That could be a fun video. Oh God.
Content!
Me crashing your car.
Content clickbait title.
Oh God.
My best friend crashed my car.
Oops.
My dad will call like what?
I'll never come back. I just never come back to your house and run away.
Who was the last person your best friend kissed? As a kid, what did your best friend want to become when they grew up? So, she's really good at dancing.
I used to be. Okay.
Because like France and all ballet.
Like I would do ballet as a kid,
Yeah.
and I
Even
really-
I did ballet for the record. But she did
How
she
serious-
did better ballet. But even I did ballet.
Yeah, and I was really passionate about it, and I could have gone to like a dance school and whatever, but we moved back here. So I feel like, and as a kid, I always wanted to be a ballerina. Now I feel like it's kind of unrealistic, but like who knows, you know?
Yeah.
If you go back to Paris, then.
Paris. Paris.
I
Croissant.
should teach you French one day. We should try like
Make a video like that.
You speaking in
I know a
French
little bit
or
French, guys,
something.
but she knows obviously better.
I mean, not as much now.
Okay,
because I've been
what
here
would
for so
I
long.
be when I wanted? Like, what did I want to be when I was?
I feel like you could definitely be like a pop star. Like,
That I actually wanted to be. You remember?
because I mean, I remember like I've seen pictures of baby Meher, and she's always like the most like performative.
Dude, I wanted, like, I 100% wanted to be like a singer.
And she does sing well, so I feel like it would totally be a.
Don't tell them. No. I don't sing well. I don't know.
Oh please, she does. She knows she
Mm,
does.
it's okay. What would your friend do if they won the lottery?
Oh my god, so much.
She would eat a lot of pasta.
No, I mean, I feel like I'd do that without winning the lottery, to be honest. Like,
I would buy a ticket to travel the whole world.
same. I would want to go back to France. Just basically live in France. Exactly.
We're just only talking about
Yeah.
France only. Full video like
So much
France,
love,
France,
my
France.
heart just goes out.
How many kids does your friend
Oh my
want?
God.
And what would their names?
You know, this is running joke that I want 9 kids.
You want 9 kids?
I mean, I kind of started it, to be honest.
I can imagine that.
But no, I don't want 9 kids. Let me just, if you know, there's the whole world, whoever's watching. 2 kids would be ideal, I feel like.
Even
I
I
feel like
want-
that's my standard answer though, like 2
Even
kids.
I want 2 kids.
Yeah.
And I like one name, but I don't want to disclose it because then people will steal.
I haven't thought about names, to be honest.
I'm like a proper girly girl. I've thought about like getting married. I thought about
Yeah.
having kids.
And she loves to plan, so she's
But
like,
I've also like thought about like being like a CEO or something. I'm not
Yeah.
just like but you know,
please. I haven't thought about it much.
if your friend had one superpower, what would it be and why? Mine would be, I don't know, I'm like switching and when I'm answering yours.
Yeah,
and
it's
when
fine,
I'm
it's fine,
answering
doesn't
mine.
matter.
Okay. I think I would want to like teleport.
I want to read minds. I feel like that'd be pretty cool.
It's kind of, and she's studying psychology. Can you
I
read
feel
my
like-
mind?
No, that's not how it works.
I know, it's a joke. Itna bhi I'm not a kabaal. Okay, who's more annoying? Me, 100%.
Like, without, I feel like all our friends would say
I
this
think
too,
everyone
feel
would
like,
agree.
yeah.
I am very annoying.
But it's okay, I still love her the most.
Who always gets their way? Me, 100%.
That's like, you can't even, without a doubt, like, Meher will always get her way no matter what.
Yeah, so I'm annoying. That's why I get my way. Who's more extroverted and introverted? I honestly feel like we're both equally extroverted.
I feel like
but
I'm definitely more introverted than like people who
Okay,
don't
wait.
know me.
Let me know in the comments. She's doing this so well. She's not hesitant.
I'm
at
really,
all.
okay, I'm really
But
nervous.
you're looking in the camera. You're like, you know, doing the.
Because I'm trying not to be awkward for you guys. Like, you're very high, like, standards already. You've had Saket, you've had Art, and I'm like, oh my god, how am I supposed to do this?
She's the only non-YouTuber person.
Yeah. I'm very friendly with people I'm close to, but I'm like otherwise like more shy and like reserved. Like, I keep to myself kind of person.
I think I have phases, but I think I would be more.
Yeah, you're
extroverted.
definitely more extroverted than me, at least.
Who is more likely to get kicked out of class?
I find, yeah, again, have you
Have you
gotten kicked out of class? Though?
multiple times?
I've only gotten kicked out of class once, and it wasn't even my fault. Like, I swear. It was
No,
somebody
I-
else was talking, and I
I've gotten
turned around
kicked out of
once,
class.
and I think she was like, my teacher was probably just in a bad mood, so she kicked me out of class. But then she called me back in and like 10 minutes.
Yeah, I've been kicked out of class many times because I'm a cool girl.
शाबाश बेटा बहुत बढ़िया
I'm not promoting getting
Yeah,
kicked
please.
out of class. Who's more likely to get arrested? I think just because I'm more annoying, me.
Yeah, like I don't, like I wonder what would I get arrested for, you know?
Does your friend judge who you date? Yes. Which friend doesn't? Though?
Yeah, and I feel like you
Like,
should. It's very
yeah,
healthy. Like, she does, I feel like more than me. For sure.
I think that people should judge. Like best friends
Yeah.
should judge because
Yeah, for sure.
the person who's into that person is not gonna be very objective.
Yeah.
They're gonna be like, no, they're the best person on earth. And then your friend comes in, slaps you, and goes like,
And plus, it's a good thing. Like, you're just watching out for your friends, I feel like, which is always good.
always good.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's all the questions we have for today's video.
That was
But-
quite fun though.
Yes.
I was like
But
really nervous.
get
That
used
was
to
fun.
seeing her face because she's gonna be in a lot of my videos.
Just please be nice to me.
We're
I'm
gonna
super
do a lot of
nervous.
fun, stupid shit together.
Please give us video ideas
and
down
embarrass ourselves.
below. Yeah.
So yeah, give us video ideas. Give us funny things that you would
Yeah.
like us to do.
We're like down to do
Anything.
anything.
I mean, pretty
almost
much
anything.
Like something like legal.
Yeah.
But you know.
I don't think they'll give us anything unlegal.
Unlegal.
I'm kidding, no. I don't think they'll give us anything illegal, but
You know.
yeah, we're open to anything. So like, let us know your thoughts
She's
and
better. She's better. at
stuff
this than
in the
me.
comments down below. And like, share, and subscribe. I'm really proud of Meher. I think she's doing a great job so far, and I can see like she'll go really far. So just keep sending her lots of love and encouragement.
Okay, she's 100% better at this than me.
And-
Let's change this to Indra.
No, please, I'm not like this. Is no, not for me. No, but really, like I see you guys are really supportive in the comments, and I love that.
Stress. Bye guys.
Bye guys.